Look at this outfit I just found. This is healing my inner child. I'm an intellectual. I think I have joined the cult of Fiestaware. Wait, who is this? I swear to God. Oh, it's Blake Shelton. I'm not a big Blake Shelton girly, but still a vibe. Welcome back to another edition of Leah Goes Thrifting, and this is taking place at one of my favorite thrift stores called Share Stuff, and I don't normally film in this thrift store, and I was trying to think of the reason why, and it's because when I walk in, I'm serenaded by the sound of loud 90s country music, and it really sets the mood, and I absolutely love it. The lady who works here is always playing some sort of 90s country. It's usually Alan Jackson, but I usually don't film because you can't hear anything. But I decided today to embrace it, and I was having the best time of my life. Look at this outfit I just found. This is the best day ever. I can't tell if this is cute or not. It's kind of giving the Tooth Fairy, but like not mad about it. I have so much stuff here. Let me just show you guys. 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags. Then we have miscellaneous things in front of me. But hello. Okay, let's get started. The sun is coming in. Today's actually daylight savings day, so I'm filming this at like 4 p.m. and the sun is still out. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. Like, it's been too long. You know? Guys, I have so much stuff. I've been collecting all of this stuff for, I want to say like a month, and I don't even know what to show you guys. Like, do I show you guys everything or just some things? We will see how this goes, but I do want to start off with the like kitchen home decor, because guys, that's really what I'm into these days. I do love looking at the clothes still, but the home and like, what is this, what would this be called, like dishware? I always like thought dishes were just plates. I'm gonna need to look up what dish is. Oh, I guess it's like a dishwasher. So it's like dish is just something that you eat out of. That's my final answer. I'm gonna look it up. Anyways, let's get into this haul. I have so many cute things. I guess we'll start with this because I'm holding it. As you guys know, mugs are probably one of my favorite things to find, and I found a few cute ones. So this is the first one. This is something you would find like in an Easter basket, or you can elevate it to put like, maybe I'll put like some little like eggs in there and give this to somebody as a little gift. You never know. Could be cute. This was $2 from Goodwill. Then this next mug I was super happy to find because it is a Gemini mug, which I am a Gemini. My birthday is June 15th, and we love some representation. You guys remember the show As Told by Ginger? I feel like that's what the girl looks like, and I love that show growing up, so thought it was super cute. And then the back says, I am witty, a talker, and such an intellectual. So if you guys wanted to know a little bit about me, there you have it. I love how like the inside's pink. It's just like very quirky and different, and that's why I can't say enough good things about finding mugs at thrift stores. Like, you just can't beat it, because where would I have found this? You know, I don't even know where. This just like screams 2000 to me. It doesn't have a date, but that's what it's giving. Which leads me to these guys. Okay, I have kind of a little story with these, because these are Fiestaware, and you guys might be familiar with this brand because they're, I mean, pretty popular, and I feel like they have a cult following. And I think I have joined the cult of Fiestaware, because this is, I actually bought some other ones since I bought these, so you guys will have to see that in a future haul, because I think they're still in my car currently. Supposedly they're very good quality, very long lasting, and then they come in so many different colors, and I just love the color combo that I found. I will say this was definitely marked up. Goodwill needs to calm down with their prices because these were $5 each. Like I said, I am in a cult, so that is why I bought them for that much. Going forward, I'm going to try not to pay like that much for them. But this one, I just couldn't help myself because I just thought the colors were so good. I got like this Kelly green color, which I loved. Then I got this light blue one, which I don't even know which one is my favorite color, but this one is so nice. Then I got this beautiful yellow one. And just like, look at this color combo. I'm gonna like break these. But like, look at that color combo. I just thought these were so cute, and I couldn't help myself. So I bought 8 of them. So that was 8 times 5 is $40 I spent on some small plates, which is not characteristic of me. Like I said, I'm in a cult, you guys. Like, somebody help me. So, okay, that is what I got there, and I'm actually very happy about it. And like I said, I bought so many other Fiesta. How did I become like a Fiesta girly? Like, I don't know. But you guys will have to stay tuned for my next haul when I show you guys what else I found. And it was actually kind of a funny story because I kind of made somebody mad. So we're getting into some thick waters here, you guys. Like, I'm gonna spill some tea later, but yeah, people go crazy over Fiesta. I think that's all of the like dishware. Still need to figure out what dishware is. I feel like I know what it is now that I like talk through it. I think it's just anything you can eat out of, but like, again, need to confirm. Okay, next up, I bought a ton of books. I just can't help myself, especially the Goodwill that's by my house. They have such a great book section. They call it the book nook, and it's all really well organized. So I just have so much fun going in there and picking up books. Okay, so this first one I got is another one from Sophie Kinsella. It's called The Undomestic Goddess. And I bought one of her other books recently. I will say I read 2 chapters or 2 or 3, and I really wasn't into it. So I don't know if I'm going to be into this one either. So I might save these and like give them to my cousin who's like younger. TBD on this one. And then I did find this, which I'm so excited about. Growing up, my favorite movie was The Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants. This one I actually found first, which was The Second Summer of the Sisterhood. And then I found the first book. So I'm excited to read these. I might wait till the summer because I just feel like that would be the perfect thing to read, you know, outside. I was gonna say at a beach. I don't have a beach here. But maybe if I go somewhere with a beach, I should bring this because that would just be so nice and nostalgic, you know? And then these 2 I found at the same time. These were both half off. This first one is called Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. And I've actually listened to this one on Audible like a few years ago, and I really liked it. So when I saw it in print, I decided to pick it up so that I can maybe reread it. And yeah, I'm excited about it. So got that. And then this one is called The Intellectual Devotional because, like I said, I'm an intellectual. So basically you just read 1 page a day, and it gives you little insights on different like famous people or just, you know, things of the world that I may not have known, and I can become smarter, you know, because that's all we really can ask for in life is just every day just learning something new, you know? So excited about that. This was $3.50, but it was half off. So then now we can get into the meat and potatoes, even though I feel like that was meat and potatoes. Like, this is like what I live for, is home stuff. I just love filling my home with things. It's just everything. Okay, moving on. We have this cute little purse, which definitely smells weird. Like, I can't tell if it's like a smoky smell or if it's like fake leather smell, like rubber. I can't tell, but it's very cute. It's a brown little bag. Still has its tags on. It's from 9 & Co. And this tag just looks vintage. Like, maybe it's not, but it kind of looks like it. Or at least it's like 20 years old, you know? Like, I feel like maybe this is from the 90s. But maybe not. It literally could just be from last year. Who knows? Look for the $100 bill. anything. Okay. Not today. I have like little bags, but this one is just like so cute, and I don't think I have a brown one like this. I have a few black ones, but I thought the dark brown was nice and chic. I'm not gonna lie, actually, this is kind of meat and potatoes because this set, you guys, I was so excited when that thrift day that I filmed for you guys, the one where Alan Jackson was playing, was such a fun day. So when I first saw this, it was giving Annie from The Parent Trap, and I was so excited. I was like, I need this. It's so cute. It's from Ralph Lauren. It was $9, and it was so cute, and it's like cropped. I was like, yes, this is like 100% coming home with me. So adorable. Loved it. Then I saw this set, and I was like, this is Annie. Like, what's going on here? Like, this is actually Annie because it's a 2-piece set. So we have that, and then it has the skirt, but wait, not just one skirt. It came with 2 skirts, so like 2 different options. This one I think is the cutest. It has like these little ruffles or like pleats. Sorry, pleats. So if I'm not Annie from Parent Trap for Halloween this year, you guys need to call me out and be like, what's your deal? Why aren't you Annie? I'm trying to think of her last name. I can't remember her last name, but you guys have to hold me accountable because I have to be Annie this year for Halloween. It just has to happen. So I scored, basically, is what I'm trying to say. It's from Maggie Lawrence. I'll have to look up that brand. And I'm not even sure if this fits. That's how dedicated I was to this, because I don't even know if it fits, and I bought it. No regrets at all. And then I bought this, and I didn't try this on yet, but I just know this might be my new favorite top. You know when you can just like see something and you're like, that's gonna fit perfectly? That's this top for me. It has like a little tie up, and I don't really own anything in this color, nor would I really be, like, I would never buy this full price at a store, like in this color, but the fact that I could get it for $6 secondhand, I was like, yes, let me experiment. Let me see if this is my color. I feel like 3/4 sleeve lengths were so in back in my day, back in the 90s or like 2000s, but I feel like I don't own anything 3/4 length. So I might be a little bit thrown off, but willing to give this a try. Then I got this, which this is the last thing that I found, and it was kind of an impulse buy because I'm like, I personally don't think I'm going to be wearing this. I mean, I'm going to try it on. I just don't think it's going to like flatter me in any sort of capacity, but I had to get it. Nevertheless, I might give it to a friend, might sell it. I believe the orange tag was like 75% off. So I think I got this for like $2. Okay, moving on, we have this super cute little hat. How adorable is this? It's from Tommy Hilfiger, and I am not a hat person, but I've kind of already been mentally preparing for a hat summer. So let's just see together if it's gonna work out. Let me know in the comments. Like, actually, no pressure to hype me up. Just like, let me know your real thoughts in real time. Like, am I a hat person? Like, I feel like with hats, you have to like have confidence and be like, yes, I'm a hat person, and then everybody else believes you are. But if you go into it with like, I don't think I'm a hat person, then people will feel my energy and be like, yeah, why is she wearing a hat? Like, she's not a hat person. Okay, I'm gonna play out a scene for you guys, and you have to give me your honest feedback on if I'm a hat person or not, okay? So I'm just gonna walk into a door, I'm not gonna walk into a door, I'm gonna open the door and walk through it, and let me know if I'm giving off I'm a hat girl energy, okay? Oh, hey, how's it? I feel like I wouldn't actually say it like that. Hold on, hold on. Hey, hey. You like my hat? Thank you. Yeah, I actually got it at a thrift store. It was only $2, so I had to get it. Let me know you guys' thoughts. This is actually like cutting off my circulation. So we're gonna have to see about this. Let me know your guys's thoughts, critiques, criticisms. Let me know what I can improve on. I would love all your tips and tricks. Next up we have dun, da, 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 another jean jacket, because your girl can't say no when it comes to jean jackets. But I will say this is quite a different style than I normally find. Look at the arms, like, or like the wrist. It's kind of like bungee jump. It's kind of like elastic right here. And I also really like the little emblem. I just love when things have emblems. Does anybody feel me on that? Like if something has a little emblem right here, it just makes it like 20 times cuter, like for real. So this one is giving, I don't know what it's giving. Kind of, it's like giving grandpa vibes, but like a cool grandpa, you know? This is by Chaps Ralph Lauren. It is a size large, very cute. It has little pockets. I like the color of this jean. It was nice. And let's see how much I bought it for. I got it, this one was $8.50. I'm telling you guys, Goodwill has one thing, and that's the audacity. Because why would this be $8.50? But I bought it, so who's the real sucker in this? Me. But okay, you guys, I saved the best for last. I got this American Girl doll game. I haven't been this excited for something at the thrift store in a very long time, even though this whole haul I was very excited. This was something that really just like hit me to a core, like my nostalgia like got whiplash. I don't know if that made sense. So I was a big American Girly fan back in the day. My American Girl was Samantha. Wait, no. Yes, Samantha. I loved her. So this is just so precious to me. It is a game called 300 Wishes game, and it low-key is like, I want to play this. So it's basically, let me just show you guys. I haven't played it yet, but I let my 2-year-old niece like play with it a little bit, and she loved it. Up to 4 people can play this game, and you get these little like diaries. I actually don't really know exactly how to play this game, but you get these little cards, and this one says help your dad barbecue for a family reunion. Interesting. This one says play the flute in the school band. So I think you just get different scenarios that you can pick from, and it just sounds fun. You can like put the little cards like in there. So my little niece was having fun putting these cards in there, and then you open it up and they're right there. You guys, this is healing my inner child. So I was just very happy, and I want to play this with my cousin who is, I mean, she's 13, but I feel like she's gonna like this game, and I just can't wait. I think it'll be so fun. So this game cost a total of $2.30, and there's really just not that many things you can buy for that price that gives this much joy and excitement and hope and wonder to a child or to a 30-year-old. So that is the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what item was your favorite, which one you would have bought if you saw it in the thrift store. Honestly, this haul might be one of my best. Let me know what was your favorite thing that I thrifted, and if you were to see any of these things out in the wilds at your thrift store, what would you have picked up and what would you have left behind? I would love to know. Also, I did post my apartment tour, so definitely check that out. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. If you want to keep seeing more thrift hauls, thrifting with me, more home stuff, like let me know what you guys are vibing with. But that is it. I love you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.